Get the door for Eddie, please. There you go. There you go, Eddie.
Hey! Eddie, can you reset the door? Eddie? Huh? You didn't forget, did you?
No, I didn't.
Reset the door.
I did.
Oh, okay, good. That fast?
Yeah, that fast.
Holy smokes. I thought he would walk in and started shaking hands. Welcome aboard, Eddie.
Thanks, Don. My pen's working, might as well just touch the very, very well. Now we're going to do some more. Hey, yeah. I was like, I wonder if Eric knows yet. And it just, like, when I walked in the door, there just went normal. So I was like, well.
I would imagine Jim Harper, these guys from engineering were out there. Steve Roberts, do you know any of that? They were probably engineering was out there. Well, they did have a safety guy. Gotcha. What's really else was it? Was that the one that burned up? Oh, that's okay. That's for the signal.
Afterwards, we're going to Ashland 60. 60-30 Ashland North.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Are we going to Linda? Yeah, we'll go to Linda, but not Kimball.
Probably not Kimball.
Yeah, it's going to be way too late. We're going to Ashland.
Make sure you go to the front there, okay?
Did you get my picture, Eric? Did you get my picture? Yeah. I sent you a picture. Oh,
I mean, I got a ball gag if you need to.
Eric?
Yeah,
Yeah, we can get.
Yes. Yeah. Hey, Lou, what's going on? How you doing? Good. Hey, I'm doing
Pretty good, you?
They're sitting at home. I should have brought
Yeah,
them.
no mark. No mark. Oh, yeah.
You have it in the
I know, you're right. Yeah.
You got a day off.
No, I just got off work.
Hey, Ray, next time I've got a flashlight with the taser built into it. I'll let you borrow it.
My watch is
Sounds like, well, the whole change of events. I'm like, well, we're going to go at work. I must just leave the car.
Might as well.
253 back on the station.
I like that.
1 hour and
Yeah, I like nice. I watch you guys on the camera.
1:43. Come back here on this station at 2:50.
I was watching you guys at work.
2:53.
Oh, yeah, look at that. There we are, huh?
Playing a jump shit.
How was your vacation? Looks like you had a good time.
Yeah. You know, the best part was going to Bob's house.
Oh,
Play train. You know, it was like 30 degrees then. We were like freezing they just like, they're like, oh, this is great.
We need one more.
Attention passengers at Clark and Lake, this train is not in service. This is not a regular